What's up mga kalagrahe? Welcome back to our channel.
Good day mga kalagarahe, welcome back to our channel. So new day, new build. So for today's video mga kalagarahe is feature natin itong ginawa nating Honda TMX 125 Cafe Racer build. So this Cafe Racer, kami na nag-provide ng base bike for the client. He's here from CDO pero gusto niya kami na mag-provide lahat. So yes, we did that. And before we start this video, we'd like to thank our sponsor, Macho Mucho. So, check them out guys. Yan sila. Check nyo rin yung Facebook page nila to book your schedules or pwede din naman walk-in. So, they give you great haircuts. So, yeah, thank you Macho Mucho. And also, promote din namin yung 2025 riding jersey merch natin. Ito yung photo. Available for pre-order po yan mga kalagarahe. Alright? So, PM lang po kayo sa page, Facebook page kung gusto niyo umorder niyan. Ongoing na po yung production niyan and most likely by January, it'll be here. So, that's a collaboration with Imprint Customs and Lagarahe Motorcycles. So, ayun mga kalagarahe. Let's get right into it. So, ayun. So, ito yung gawa natin. A Cafe Racer build. So, this is the middle price Cafe Racer build. So, as you can see naman, so, feature natin tong specs ng gawa natin. So, let's go. So, first off mga kalagaray, start tayo sa tank. Sorry kung medyo parang nagfa-fog or medyo mahamog yung tank kasi maulan kasi dito today sa shop. So, kaya medyo ganun. Pero it's a super glossy black. See, as you can see. Yan, nagfa-fog lang dahil sa lamig. So, ang ginawa natin sa tank, this is still the stock gas tank. Nirepaint lang natin kasi mga kalagaray, yung stock ng Honda paint job ng tank is sobrang manipis and not that durable. So, we repainted it. And then, pinalagyan ni sir na minimalist lang na Honda. Diyan. And then, yung side cover, as what we always say, hindi painted yung stock na side cover. So, we repainted it and we put our logo on there and then top coated it. So, yung dalawang parts lang yan. I mean, pati fork, yan lang yung paint job. Everything else was powder coated. So, sa seat, custom handmade natin, as always. Ayan, then LED strip. Ayan, naka-LED strip na. Then, yung swing arm is extended. And bullet pipe na version 2 with silencer pero hindi lang namin kinabit. Freebie na po yun mga kalagarahe. Then naka-thermal wrap na. Ayan. And then custom aluminum fender. So powder coated na with its bracket sa kabilang side. Then we installed on top here clip-on handlebars. So stock pa rin yung forks mga kalagarahe kasi nga this was supposed to be a basic build Cafe Racer. So yan, stock forks lang ginamit natin. So naka-drum brakes pa rin yan. Pero, pinalitan natin ng lowering crown para mag-lower siya sa front. And then, we installed the digital speedometer. Ayan, as request ni sir. And then, favorite natin na bar and side mirrors. Sa headlight, we have here the LED headlight. And LED na mini bullet turn signal light and custom na headlight bracket. And for the fender, handmade din natin aluminum and bracket niya is metal and we powder coated it. And then the tires, we use power tires for this, 325 and 110 sa likuran. So request din ni sir na silver lang yung engine to make it a bit of an accent. So, may parang pop siya and para malaki tignan yung engine niya. So, let's do a spin around. Ayan. Dito pala, waffle grip. So, yeah, that's our take on this basic Cafe Racer build. I hope you liked our build. So, this is our take on our regular Cafe Racer build na Honda TMX 125. So, ayun, pipick upin na to ni Sir today kasi sobrang excited na niya. And yeah, pinarush ni Sir. So, nag-pay siya ng extra for the rush fee. So, ayun, tinapos natin to within 2 weeks. So, ayun mga kalagarahe. And, by the way, hindi po lahat ng build is mararush natin. Alright? Especially yung mga gawan pa ng chassis, mga ganon. So, it takes time. So, this one, since memorize na din natin yung TMX 125, nagawa natin ng mabilisan. So, ayun mga kalagarahe. Peace out. Let's go for the montage.